everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1970 Ford Mustang, true Mach 1 car, guys, with a Marti Report. Beautiful car. This car is out of, oh doggone, I can't remember. I think he was out of, I bought the car in North Carolina, but I believe he was from South Carolina. I actually bought a pair of Mustangs from this gentleman, restored both of them, did a beautiful job. Now this car is actually done underneath as well as on the top. Beautiful car, factory color. I'll put the color code in the ad for you, but this is the original yellow with the black knit vinyl interior. 351 factory 4-speed car, and that is on the Marti Report, guys. Great car, runs and drives excellent. Just a good car, man. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the Magnum 500 wheels. Good looking car. And I apologize right now. There's a little rain out here. There's nothing we can do, unfortunately, in the forecast. That's what it is, man. We've got about 4 days of this stuff. Rain or snow. Chrome's nice, stainless is nice, got the front spoiler. Paint's really pretty on the car. You can see it's got the hood mount turn signals, the hood pins. Good looking car. Hopefully we can get through this without the rain downpouring on us. Just spitting right now. You can see that trim around the windows is nice. Both of these Mustangs I got from a very nice car. Rear deck spoiler, which is on the Marti Report. I thought about putting a set of louvers on it, but they're not on the Marti Report. So, but if somebody did that, that wouldn't hurt my feelings. I think it'd look good on there. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, I love the Magnums with the BF Goodrich Radial TAs. Very hard to get those right now. The Magnums are on national back order. Matter of fact, I ordered a set for a buddy of mine probably 3 months ago, and they're still not here. You can see a little, there's not much to really pick at though, guys. It's awfully, awfully nice. There's a couple little touch-up marks, but other than that, man, the car is very, very nice. Again, it's got the Magnum 500 wheels. Little ding there in the chrome. I don't know what you want to call it. You know, these cars are unibodies, so it's not a frame off, but it's a, frame up restoration. Front disc brakes. It's got the dual sport mirrors. Now, this is supposed to be the original motor, guys. There is no VIN on the block, though, so I don't like to tell you that. Again, not all of them got stamped, but like I say, it's supposed to be the original block, but I can't 100% guarantee that. Holley 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes, and it is a factory wide ratio 4-speed. You can see the car's detailed up really nice underneath the hood here. You see how nice those shock towers are. This car is rock solid. Really nice underneath. It's got all the little inspection codes on. You see a little PF over there. All the little inspection codes like it were just rolled off the factory or rolled out of the factory. Good car. Glass is nice. And these Mustangs are tough for me to get, guys. A little patina there on the door handles, but they're definitely newer. Here's your door tag. Again, it does have the Marti Report in the trunk. All your little interior lights are working and stuff like that. Remote mirror. Bucket seats, console. It's got the rim blow horn. It does work. It's missing that little trim piece. You know, guys, and I forgot to check. I actually forgot about it. We'll check and see if we can get that. It's got the Hurst shifter. Again, all your lights in here are working. The factory wood grain dash. Factory dash 91,967 on the odometer. He said there's not but a couple thousand miles on the car since he got it done. It's got an aftermarket Kenwood radio in it. Dual exhaust. It's the factory rear end, which is a 325 safety track. That 4-speed is what really drew. Both these cars I bought from were 4 speeds. There's your Marti Report, brand new fuel tank and everything in the car. So they don't take out the quality car, man. Just a good car. And like I say, a really nice running and driving car. Fit and finish is good, especially for a Mustang. These unibody cars are a little bit of a pain with that. So again, you can see how nice that car is. Crawl underneath that car. The floors are nice. Very nice car, detailed up nice. See, it's got the little X on the rear end, like the little inspection marks that they did from the factory. Bought a lot of cars, guys. I probably have 10, 12 cars. Just a little something on there, I don't know what that is. That comes off, guys. That I just haven't been able to advertise, guys, and I apologize, but Mother Nature is just not cooperating right now. Good car. I have Jay fired up here. No big cam or anything like that. Pretty much just a stock rebuild, guys. That's all it is. Just a nice car, too. This car really drives out good. Those work on the car. Your gauge works. Fuel gauge does work, guys. Just a little low on gas. All pressure gauge is working. Parking brake does work, guys. Even the backup lights work. It's just a good car, man. Radio works, blower motor, Jay. Yep. Does work. Make sure you turn your sport lamps on when you get up front. You see those working down there? Sport lamps do work as well. Turn signals are functioning. And the rim blow horn, Jay figures it out. It does work. That's a rarity, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through Facebook. Or as always, pick up the phone, give my guys a call, 248-620-3355. Thanks a lot, guys, and have a great day.